Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Money Talks, in which we discuss market analysis, education learning on stock market every day through our video. So do subscribe our channel to get regular updates, and if you like our video and it gives some learning to you, then do give a like so that we get motivated through it. So keep supporting our channel, and that's what we want from you. Okay, then we'll start our video. So the market is going to open now. Okay, market has opened gap down as the momentum was clear that the momentum of bearish is going to continue, but might be the pullback might happen. We'll check Nifty. Nifty is also rolling downside. Okay, the momentum is quite continue bearish, but this might change the scenario because the result has came of election. So that might be one result, one probably way the market can go up today. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we'll take a trade now over here and we'll go long in this on the second candle, as the first candle was quite bearish, but the momentum pulled off. So we'll take a trade over here. अच्छा, the momentum is going down again. Let's see what happens. Because पहला कैंडल अगर ऐसा फॉर्म होता है तो the chances gets a little bit higher because कि वो अगेन ऊपर रैली कर सकता है एंड देन एक वॉलेटाइल मार्केट हो सकता है. Okay, let's see. We'll set our target and stop loss also. Okay, so after some volatile candles, we got our target in paper trading. Our target was over there and our stop loss was over here. So our first paper trading target was successful. So let's see. Feels like today the market will be little bit more volatile in first half. The second half might pull off. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so today was not able to trade more in paper trading, so have done only one paper trading trade, and that was our profit. So we'll check what happens today, and we'll also talk about market analysis for tomorrow. So this was our paper trading trade on the second candle, which got our target done on after some volatile market. So as we were discussing, the market might go a volatile. So after crossing this volatile in this range only on the resistance and support, our CPR was strong, and it got rallied most of the time over here, and this was a strong resistance also, as it trailed two times, 1 and 2. So two times when it crosses, it again pulled off down. So we'll check once Bank Nifty also. So when it got pulled off into bullish momentum on the third range, almost a second half around 2 p.m. the momentum was too bullish. Once the candle was closed over here, the momentum was keep on going bullish. So like over here also, if you see, the market was hit touch the candle over here, but it didn't close over here. So as over here, but on this range the market closes up, and then it got continuously up, but still we didn't get the confirmation on that the market will go continue up. If you see in this Nifty chart, if you see in Bank Nifty chart, we'll get a clear confirmation that the market will go up, as you can see in this, as Bank Nifty is too volatile. So the market was over here too bearish also at second half, while in Nifty it wasn't. So this market was rallying in this 2 CPR. So once the CPR was broken in the second half, it got touched only sometimes over here, and it didn't get too bearish in this range, below this range. So once this candle was closed over here, the momentum was final that the market will go continue up as this candle closes over above this. So it has a long range of around 200 points, I think 200. Yeah, it has almost 250 points. So, and this was the strong resistance which was rallying on two times it was rallying, so that was the strong resistance. So once this candle closes, so the market was having this much distance to cover up, so the buyers have gained some little bit more profit on 250 points. So that confirms in Nifty also. Once that candle closes, the candle was closing over here, so once that Bank Nifty pulls off, it crosses over here and the market was continue bullish, and it's get stopped around lower CPR. So this was the again a strong resistance. So as it get rallied over here also, and then momentum was down, and as you see the candle, the last two candles were bullish. So tomorrow the market might continue the bullish momentum, but we'll have to check the price action first. So if the market opens sideways, then market might be little bit volatile, it go down, and then it will be in a momentum of bullish. And if the market opens gap up, then there are the chances that the market will go out continuously, but we'll have to wait for the candles. If the candle closes two bullish candles and proper big candles, then you can go for long, and we'll also see our CPR where it follows on that. And if the market opens gap down, which there are less probability, but if the market goes down but around this or below this, then we'll have to wait for the candles price action. Then might be a volatile market can happen, and again like today it has been a bullish momentum, so that can happen tomorrow also. Same as on Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, if you see there, it shows a clear momentum that once the CPR was rallying on this side on the second half, so the last two candles were too big in closing bullish momentum. So if the market opens sideways over here, then just wait for two to three candles bullish. So once that candles form and big candles, then you can go continue a bullish momentum. And if the market opens sideways, then wait, then might be it can go till here and then again pull off. And in a volatile market can happen if the market opens gap down, then might be in second half again it might pull off a bullish momentum. So we'll wait for our price action, what happens, what candle forms, on that will decide. Okay traders, we'll meet you in our next video. Till then, be safe, take care, bye bye.